Koh Samui might be known for its famous beaches like Choing and Lamai, but the island has many more beautiful and less crowded beaches to discover. In this video, we lines show you the top 5 hidden beaches in Koh Samui that you should add to your bucket list. So get ready to explore some of the most stunning and secluded beaches in Thailand. Number 5. Hod Yuan. Hod Yuan Beach is a true hidden gem on the island of Koh Samui. As its name suggests, it can be a bit of a challenge to find, but the journey is definitely worth it. To get there, you lines need to walk through a small cave that leads to a secluded sandy bay with crystal clear water. It's known for its stunning views of the sunset over the Gulf of Thailand, making it a popular spot for tourists and locals alike. The beach is situated between two rocky headlands and is blessed with crystal clear waters that are perfect for swimming and snorkeling. The soft golden sands make it a great spot to relax and soak up the sun. One of the best things about Sunset Beach is the vibrant atmosphere. During sunset, the sky turns into a canvas of fiery colors and the beach comes alive with live music, food stalls, and a lively crowd of people all there to witness the spectacular view. The beach is also known for its laid-back hippie vibe, which is accentuated by the numerous massage parlors and yoga studios in the area. Whether you're looking to unwind with a massage or take a yoga class, there are plenty of options to choose from. Overall, Sunset Beach is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Koh Samui. The combination of its stunning natural beauty, lively atmosphere, and laid-back hippie vibe make it a truly unique and unforgettable experience. The beach itself is quite narrow, but the swimming and snorkeling here is excellent, and you can even spot some interesting rock formations and caves to explore. One of the best things about Secret Beach is the sense of adventure that comes with finding it. Many people who visit Koh Samui don't even know about this hidden gem, making it a truly unique and off-the-beaten-track destination. If you're feeling brave, you can even jump off the rocks into the water for a refreshing dip. Just be sure to do it safely. Overall, if you're looking for a beach that's off the beaten path and full of adventure, look no further than Secret Beach. It may be a little hard to find, but the journey is half the fun, and the stunning natural beauty of the beach will make it a trip you lines never forget. This secluded beach can only be accessed by a 20-minute long-tail boat ride from the mainland, making it a perfect destination for those seeking tranquility and relaxation. The beach is known for its unusual formation, which was created by a cargo ship that ran aground in the area many years ago. The ship was carrying bottles of rum and beer, and when it crashed, the bottles were washed ashore, creating a beach that is now littered with thousands of these colorful glass objects. Despite the somewhat inauspicious origin story, Bottle Beach is actually a truly stunning location with crystal clear waters and powdery white sands. Visitors can explore the vast array of glass bottles that have been transformed into mosaic-like pieces of art, or simply relax and soak up the sun in this secluded paradise. One of the best things about Bottle Beach is its tranquility. Despite being situated on a popular tourist island, this beach is rarely crowded, making it the perfect spot for those seeking some peace and quiet. You can spend your day swimming, snorkeling, or picnicking on the beach, and your evenings watching the sunset over the horizon. Overall, if you're looking for a beach that's both beautiful and unique, look no further than Bottle Beach. The unusual story behind its creation, combined with the stunning natural beauty of the area, makes it a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Koh Samui. Once you arrive at this pristine stretch of white sand, you'll feel like you have your own private paradise. The crystal clear water is perfect for swimming or snorkeling, and the lush jungle backdrop provides a serene atmosphere that will leave you feeling rejuvenated. One of the best things about Hod Yuan Beach is its untouched natural beauty. There are no vendors or crowds to disturb your peaceful getaway, just the sound of the waves crashing on the shore and the rustling of palm trees in the wind. You can spend your days basking in the sun, reading a book, or simply taking in the breathtaking views. If you're feeling adventurous, you can also explore the nearby rock formations and caves, which are home to various types of wildlife. Overall, if you're looking for a hidden beach in Koh Samui that truly feels off the beaten path, look no further than Hod Yuan. Its remote location, Crystal clear waters and untouched natural surroundings make it a must-visit destination for anyone seeking a truly relaxing and memorable vacation. Number 4. Silver Beach. Silver Beach is located on the northeast coast of Koh Samui and is easily one of the most beautiful beaches on the island. The name of the beach comes from the shiny silver sands that glisten in the sunlight, giving it a magical and enchanting vibe. The beach is nestled between two rocky headlands and is surrounded by lush tropical vegetation, making it feel secluded and private. The water is crystal clear and perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and diving. You can also rent a kayak or paddleboard and explore the coastline from the water. One of the best things about Silver Beach is that it's relatively unknown to tourists, making it the perfect spot to relax and unwind without being disturbed by crowds. However, if you do need some company, there are a few beach bars and restaurants nearby where you can grab a drink or a bite to eat. The food is delicious and features fresh seafood and other local specialties. Overall, Silver Beach is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Koh Samui. With its stunning natural beauty, crystal clear waters, and tranquil atmosphere, it's the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and immerse yourself in paradise. No. 3. Secret Beach. Secret Beach is a small cove located on the northwest coast of Koh Samui. Number 2. Bottle Beach. Bottle Beach is a truly unique and fascinating beach located on the southern tip of Koh Samui. Number 1. Sunset Beach. Sunset Beach is a picturesque beach located on the west coast of Koh Samui, Thailand.